What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video for the 2015 Hyundai Genesis. In this video, it's going to be a quick short video on how to change the engine air filter. I am the original owner of this car. I got it back in 2014 with 4 miles on it. I currently have 120,000 miles on it. And I was probably just like you guys. When I first got the car, I used to let the dealership do everything, including changing the air filter. And they would just charge a crazy amount of money to do something that's simple and only costs about $20 for the filter. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic, nor do I work for Hyundai. So if you choose to do this project, you do it at your own risk. Let's get started. So the tools you're going to need for this project are a 12mm socket, a ratchet, small screwdriver, and maybe this plastic puller. What we're going to have to remove are this bolt, this little clip right here. When you remove the 2 bolts, this bar comes out, so you're going to have to slide it out. And then the housing, which is right here, has 3 clips, one here, and one back there. It might be hard to see. That's probably going to be the most difficult part of the job right there, is getting to that clip. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove these 2 12mm bolts located over here and over here, so we can take out this bar. Just make sure to put these in a safe place, not to lose them. Now we're just going to slide this bar back, up and back, and put it to the side. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to do is remove this little pin right here. It's one of those push-in clips, so be very careful. They break very easily. What you do is you push in the center and then pull up the ring. And it comes out. And that's going to loosen up this piece. You don't have to take it all out, just loosen it up. And now we're going to remove the clips to the housing, which is one clip here, and a clip way back here. 1, 2, I believe my clip was already out. So once you do that, you don't have to take off this hose. You could just lift up on this thing and it'll come out pretty easily. And you can actually get to the filter through here. Pull it out. See, mine's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. So this is the product that I bought for like 20 bucks at AutoZone. There's the part number. Here's how the product looks. And you're just going to slide it right back into the housing. And it's going to sit flush. Perfect fit. Now you just squeeze everything back in. Put your clips back on. Make sure it sets down in there flush. It can be a little bit of a pain to get it in if it doesn't. There we go, one clip on. I'm not going to edit the video so you guys see. It does take a little bit of time. No fake stuff here. There's the first clip, second clip. Now this third clip. Yeah, that works a little better. Learned something new today. Still a little difficult. That's all right. Still better than paying 60 bucks to get this changed. And there we go. It's clipped on. So now we could just put everything back together. Like I said, not a real hard job to do. Just that one little clip at the back, which is a little bit of a pain, but it can be done. Put our pins back in. I always like to wipe in here before I put the bar back on, just to keep it clean. So the way the bar goes in is this end goes in towards the front. Line up the holes, put your bolts back in, don't lose them, that would have sucked. Hand tighten first always. Tighten them back up, snug tight. Don't have to be super hard, super tight I mean. And that's it. You're all done. So hopefully this helped you guys out. I know I had a little trouble with that last clip. Like I said, this is going to save you a lot of money in the long run. The dealers just charge you way too much to do an easy job like this. And like I said, the filter, here it is again. The code number, STP filter. It was like 20 bucks at AutoZone. So once again, like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel and make more videos on this car and other projects around the house and whatever I can do to save you money. And that's what I'm going to do. So until next video, my friends, have a good one.